Today we will start a chapter of chemistry, carbon and its compound. In this chapter, we will study about carbon and different compounds formed by the carbon. Let's learn about carbon first. Its symbol is C. Its atomic number is 6 and its mass number 12. You have studied that in class 9th. Number of electrons 6, number of protons 6 and number of neutron. Atomic mass number minus atomic number 12 minus 6, it means that is also 6. Its electronic configuration will be 2 4. How it can form the compound with the atom of other element we will study, and its position in periodic table. If we talk about period, 2 shells are there, K and L, it means it is in second period. And we talk about group, 4 electron in outermost, it is in 14 group. Let's learn how it formed different compound with the elements of different atoms of different elements. Bonding in carbon. Carbon has outermost shell with 4 electrons. It means valence electrons 4. To attain 8, it require 4 electron. And if it lose 4 electron, then only 2 remains along with 6 proton, which is not possible. It means gaining is not possible, losing is not possible. Now the only way is sharing. It will share the electrons. Sharing of electron will take place, and this type of bonding is known as covalent bonding. Carbon form covalent bond. It has 4 electron. It is in outermost. We will show that. C 1 2 3 4, and this is called tetravalent. Carbon is tetravalent. Its valency is tetravalency. Now let's learn about covalent bond. Covalent bond may be of many types. It formed by sharing of electrons. First, covalent bond which is formed by sharing of single electron from each atom. Only one atom, one electron gets shared by 2 atoms. Example, hydrogen molecule H, atomic number 1. 1 electron are there. If they will share, then how many electrons are there? 2 electrons in K shell. In this way, it forms hydrogen molecule. Let's discuss fluorine molecule F2. F9 means 2 7. It means also it require only a single electron to complete its octet. Hence, 1 electron gets shared by fluorine F. 1 electron is shared and F2 is formed. Remaining 6 remain on the shell. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How we will represent is F single bond F. This is single bond and this is covalent bond. Similarly, in case of hydrogen, how will it represent? H single bond H. Here only one electron gets shared from each atom. These atoms may be different. Example, HCl. Cl has 17 and it has outermost 7 valence electrons in outermost shell. It has 1 and by sharing 1 electron they will form a single bond. You will do it yourself. Now we will discuss the bond which is formed by sharing of 2 electrons, double covalent bond. It is in this bond 2 electrons will get shared. Example, O2. O has 2, 6. This is electronic configuration. It requires 2 electrons. We will write in this way. And after sharing 2 electrons, now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electron in outermost shell. How it is represented? O double bond O. It may be possible that more than one double bond be present. One more example we will take, CO2. C has 4 electron in outermost and oxygen has 6. How this compound can be formed? By sharing of 2 electrons. In this way oxygen acquires its octet, carbon has 8 electrons and oxygen also have 8 electrons now. This is the example of molecule having double covalent bond. 2 electrons will share from each atom of molecule. Next is the sharing of 3 electrons. If 3 electron get shared from between 2 atoms, example nitrogen 2 and 5, atomic number 7, it require 3 electrons and 3 electron get shared here. In this way the nitrogen molecule is formed. And how we can write it? N triple bond N. Here after sharing of 3 electrons, 2 more electron remains which we can represent like that. This is the example of molecule having triple covalent bond. In this way we have 3 types of covalent bond: single, double, triple. Single is formed by sharing of 2 electron, double by 3 electron, double by 4 electrons, 2 from each, and triple by 6 electron, 3 from each, 3, 3, 2, 2 and 1, 1. If we have any example and want to find out, we will take an example, NH3, N. N has atomic number 7, means 2, 5. H has 1. And hydrogen can only share 1 electron and it requires 3 more electrons. Hence, Three atoms of hydrogen are needed here to make a molecule having nitrogen 8 electrons. Then how it will form? N, single bond H, H and H. Here 2 electron remains. Ammonia, this is called ammonia. Let's take one more example, that is methane, CH4. Why these 4 are required? Because carbon has 4 in outermost and it requires 4 more, and hydrogen can only give a single. And how it will form? By sharing one electron. 4 single carbon bonds are present here. In case of any molecule, we need to think and find out the bonding, whether it is double, single